Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this video we will discuss about how to download and install latest version Eclipse IDE in your Windows operating system. So let's start my video. In the first step, I will show that how to download latest version Eclipse IDE setup file. So in the Google search bar type Eclipse IDE download and search it. After that several websites will be open. We need to click on the first website eclipse.org. So here I am click on it. After that we have come to the official website home page. Here you can see the latest version Eclipse IDE download page will be visible. We need to click on the download button, so I am click on it. After that again we need to click on the download button, so click on it. After that my download will be started. We have already downloaded this file, so cancel it and go to our download folder and see the installation process. Okay guys, I am come to our download folder and here you could see that the Eclipse IDE latest version setup file will be visible. Double click on it. After running setup file, this page will be appear first. Here we need to select which purpose I am use Eclipse IDE. If you are use Eclipse IDE as a C++ developer, then select C++ developer. But if you are use Eclipse IDE for Java developer, then select Java developer. In this video, I am told how to use Eclipse IDE for Java developer. That's why I am select Java developers. After that, here we need to select the Java JDK path. If you already install Java JDK in your PC, then automatically select. But if you are not installed, then close this installation process. First, you need to install Java JDK, then again install Eclipse IDE. So I am click on the install button. After that my installation will be started. Wait some time. When this process is completed, I will show the next step how to run Java program in Eclipse IDE. Okay guys, my installation will be completed. So simply click on the launch button to open Eclipse IDE. After opening first time Eclipse IDE, we need to select our workspace. Workspace which location I am save our Eclipse project. By default it is selected C drive. If you want to change it, then simply click on the browse button to change it. Otherwise click on the launch button. Then your Eclipse IDE will be open. When you opening Eclipse IDE first time, this page will be appear first. Wait some time. When this background process is completed, your Eclipse IDE ready for use. So wait some time. When this process is completed, I will show how to run Java program in Eclipse IDE. So this is the simple welcome page. So close it and in the file menu simply click on the new and Java project. Otherwise simply click on the package explorer to create Java project. Here you need to type our Java project name. So simply type your Java project name. I am typing simple hello and then simply click on the finish button. So one package is created. After that explore hello package and src folder. Here you could see that module.info.java. We don't need this file, so simply delete this file. So select and right click your mouse button and simply click on the delete button. Okay. After that select src folder and right click your mouse button, then click on the new and then add the Java class. So click on the class. Here type class name and then check here the main method, then click on the finish button. After that one Java file will be created and by default one class and then main method will be also added. So here write your simple Java program and then click on the run button. After that select file. Okay, Here you could see that the in the output window section hello what will be printed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for the watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.